I went from this to this. Yo. That's crazy. If you're wondering why I look a little lopsided, it's because I am. And I'm recording it like this because I left my camera at my mom's house and I want to cut my hair. I'm gonna just do a big chop today with no wig and I'm kind of bugging, but bought some scissors because I had no scissors and they for the hair specifically. And I got this curling brush, which is like a bootleg Denman brush, but it's by Conair. I like Conair, so I have a lot of faith in them. And let's see what happens, you know what I'm saying? Oh, these scissors are so cute. Ooh! Wow! About to take out my hair, see what I'm about to do. I know y'all probably looking at me like,
girl, all of this hair? You gonna cut all of this hair?
yes, I'm gonna cut it.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Somebody come and get me, cause I'm losing my mind. I'm gonna start in the very back of my hair first. Alright, my buns usually don't come out this cute, but this came out kind of cute. Like, this came out kind of cute. I hate the way the back of my hair looks. Like, it's not even a joke. I just hate it. What the fuck? I'm wildin'. I'm fed up. I think I'm cutting too much. What the? I think I'm a little bull back there. Why did I do this? So why? Why? I was bugging. Wait, cause I look like trash right now. This look like trash. We may have to wait until that wig comes, honey, cause this is not going how I thought it was gonna go in my mind. This is not what I pictured, what I imagined. Like, it's not none of that. It's none of that. Stop playing. Like, stop playing. Can I picture that? Ow! I almost poked myself in my eye. What the hell? I went from this to this. But look though, look how like chopped this look. Like, I'm not even really that sad to see it go, but the fact, like, I could barely grab anything. Oh my Jesus. Yo. That's crazy. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna like it, but I feel like I'm gonna hate it, and I feel like I'm bugging. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, but my hair could be something, you know what I'm saying? It could be something. I definitely lost my mind. My mind. Just to show you how much hair I cut off so far. Like, this is not a joke. This, oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I haven't done this before. Like, I'm not experienced in this, like, anything. I suck at cutting hair. Like, honestly, guys, I cannot tell you what came over me. I could just tell you that I was sick of it. Like, I was sick of this hair. But I'm not even hurt about it. I'm kind of like, it's hair. Like on my hair, straight wilding. Wow, I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, what my ass, bitch? Who are you? What, bitch? Oh. It's your girl, NyahSkyyy. I did the big chop. If you're thinking about it, just do it. It's a little longer in the front. That's why I have the headband to kind of like push it back to give me a fro. As you see, it's longer in the front and it's shorter in the back. I did it myself. It is not professional whatsoever. It's kind of looking like, yeah, on this side. On this side, it's kind of like, bitch, what are you doing? But it's definitely a look. Gang, gang. And I don't regret it. I don't necessarily like the haircut, but my curls look way better and I don't regret it. I'm out.